The games are upon us, flying the flags of the world. Switzerland, Luxembourg, Bermuda, and the Cayman Islands, with the endurance of a marathon runner and the contortions of a gymnast. Mitt Romney is at the top of his game. Multi-million medalist Romney goes for the gold in the 1,244-kilometer offshore event and is the leading contender to win the freestyle evasion at the 2012 Games. With advantages that surpass any competitor or otherwise mortal human, Mitt has what it takes to dominate the tax avoidance decathlon and is expected to keep bringing home the gold for years to come. He's led the team to victory as captain, owner, CEO, and managing director. For this is not child's play. It is the ultimate sport. Because Mitt knows only a strong, driven businessman can excel at the presidency. Bain Capital is a proud sponsor of the 2012 Mitt Olympics. Join us in cheering our preferred competitor with every advantage.